welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I've been away, kind of busy with work and everything, and yeah, just been trying to get everything together. I know I posted the Z video and the buggy seat video, and then after that, kind of slow down, I would say. But yeah, it's just been kind of putting everything together. My Varis kit came in, and I'm probably gonna tie this video in with the install video, I would say. But yeah, I just kind of mocked it up, put it on just to have an idea of how it looks like. And ever since, it's been away for paint. I finally got it back yesterday, so I'm excited to show you guys this. And yeah, I'm very excited. It's not 100% completed yet. Most of the stuff for the front end is in. I still need to work on kind of the rear of the car, because right now it's kind of just plain OEM, you know, naked trunk and everything. So but don't worry, I have something coming for it. It just is not here yet, so but I'm just kind of excited, and I couldn't wait to show you guys kind of what the car is looking like right now in the front. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna just show you guys. So yeah, without further ado, obviously in the front here, I still have the A6 bumper with the TRD lip on it as well. Didn't really do much. All I did was kind of just have my friend Tony repaint the whole thing. You can see from before, it used to have a lot of kind of rock chips around here and kind of on the edges here as well. Just kind of from driving on the track and stuff, you know, when cars kicking up rocks, it's kind of like a really high impact area. So I'm glad I got that repainted all together, so it looks nice for a little bit, I'll say. But yeah, moving on, obviously right in the center here we have the Varis hood. I had Tony paint match the whole thing. I think it just honestly looks a lot better paint matched. Kind of had these vents kind of painted black as well, since I don't have, you know, since everything's all paint matched. Kind of having the black vents kind of help with the accents a little bit. So yeah, look, if you look far away, it kind of shows there's vents there. I didn't want to kind of paint this black and stuff. I think there's a little bit too much and it'll just draw too much attention to it. So that way this gives a really clean, sleek look, I would say. So yeah, moving on, obviously we have the fenders here, which is one of my favorite part of the car, and it's slowly grown on me. At first when I bought them, I wasn't really too sure how it would look on the car, since I already had the TRD fins on it. So kind of going back to the same look, but kind of having it all in one piece, and having the extra vent here as well, which helps. But I think everything else ties in really, like all the body lines ties into the car really well. Varis did a really good job with kind of matching the body lines here, kind of with this body line that goes down and then kind of swoops back up here. So everything matches up and it makes it look really aggressive from certain angles. And I'm just happy that kind of the body lines and the curvature of all these, of the fender, of the hood, and even the TRD lips, they all line up, so it looks like they were meant to be for each other, or like meant to be as a kit, as I would say. Obviously these are TRD skirts. I have no idea if they are legit or not. I think they are fake, but you could never tell with the TRD stuff. But it's only like a temporary thing anyways, so I didn't really care, and I got a really good deal on it, so I couldn't turn it up. And Tony did a really good job kind of lining everything up, especially with the Varis fenders here. The TRD stuff don't always line up, so you gotta have to cut some of it, but no big deal. If it's fake, it is fake, so I cut it up all I want. But yeah, no, this is great. Obviously we still have some of the fender liner. We kind of cut some of it away just so I could allow a little bit more air to come through. But we might need to cut some more of the fender liner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, we might have to cut some more for airflow and stuff. But right now it's great. So yeah, no complaint. I'm very excited I can't wait to finish the back end of the car. I'm gonna show you guys kind of how bare it is compared to the front. So like the front is all, so yeah, the front's all really aggressive, and the front and the kind of the rear of the car is just all plain, you know, stock FRS. So like from the back, if you're driving, like, oh look, a stock FRS, and then you come around, you're just like, and it's just like, oh, it's not stock. Wow. So yeah, I definitely need to add something in the back, kind of maybe like a diffuser or trunk lip or like a wing. I just don't know yet. There's not a lot of like good looking diffusers on the market for these cars. I wish there is, but unfortunately I think it's just because of the way the bumper's designed, with that black middle piece right here, kind of makes it difficult to kind of make a really nice looking diffuser and stuff. So either I replace the bumper, which that might take a little bit longer, because if I were to go swap the bumper, I would do something kind of like along Varis or something like that, just to match the rest of the car. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm just kind of showing you guys around kind of the progress with the FRS, since the Z is actually down right now. It's because some old lady backed into it, but I'll get to that in another video. But right now it's about the FRS, and kind of this is my baby here, my first love. So you know, this is a really big moment for me, and it's still sinking in that, like, you know, the hood and everything, it looks great, but I just still getting used to looking at it, just seeing it the way it is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little video that I shot. I know it's kind of in a rush last minute, but it is what it is. We improvise over here. So hope you guys enjoyed the look of the car, because I'm still it's still sinking in for me. So I don't know if I'm looking excited or not, but yeah, I'm actually excited and happy with the result. But it's just gotta sink in. It hasn't fully sunken in yet, after waiting almost like 2 years for the hood and the fender just to arrive. And then everything just happened at once, kind of quickly right after that. So it's still sinking in for me, but I hope you guys like the car, like what you see. So yeah, you know, hit the subscribe button, like, comment down below what you guys think. It always helps me, you know, what I want to post next, you know, what you guys want to see. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and like the video, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.